In this video, we have a setup with two amp heads, and I'll show you how to utilize the preamp section of each of the amplifiers, but use the power amp section of both amplifiers for stereo. Let's take a look at the connections. We connect the guitar to G-System's input. Then the preamp section of one of the amps needs to go to the insert loop. So I take insert loop send to the amplifier's input. And then we take the amplifier's preamp section's output, which is the effects loop sent, to the return on the insert loop on G-System. The other amplifier is hooked up the same way, and for this amplifier we'll use loop number 4. Loop number 4 send goes to the input of the stereo amplifier, and the preamp's output, effects loop sent, goes to return on G-System's loop number 4. So now the preamp section of both amplifiers is in place, and we just need to connect the G-System's output to the power amp input on each of the amps, which is the effects loop return. So what I need to do now is on each preset select which of the two preamps I would like to use. So I made two presets. One I've called clean and one I've called drive. On the clean preset, I would like to have my stereo amplifier. I press edit, select loops, and use the page encoder to find loop 4. And I activate loop number 4. I hold to store and press enter to confirm. Then I go to the next preset, the drive preset, and here I want to activate the insert loop holding the Koch amplifier. I press edit, loops, and turn the page encoder to find the insert loop, and I set the insert loop to on. Then I store the preset, and there you go. One preamp on one preset and the other preamp on the other preset. But both power amps are active because it connected the G-Systems out to the input of both power amps.